What is up, guys? Welcome back to Spoiled Little Bastards, and on today's episode we've got some Fiat content for you. Yes, the Fiat is getting some love after her not getting accepted into Tuner Evo. Apparently we need to do some upgrades. So first things first, that we have going on, Michael's holding them.
Sick.
We have the Euro spec, whatever you want to call them, tail lights. These are on all of the Euro cars for the Abarth, and they're just like 10 times better. I'll show you what they look like. We did the tail lights on Michael's car first, just to kind of get good at what we're doing here, so we can make a good install video for you. But they look so much better. They have an insert that goes in here that just looks super clean, and they just turned out so much better. And it's just European, you know, we're trying to be more like them, I guess. I don't know how you want to put it, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the old ones out, show you guys. Michael's gonna kind of explain to you. He's more the electrical guy than I am, so he's gonna explain to you the plugs, because you do have to make different plugs. They have a kit, but it's a little bit more expensive, and we will show you guys how to do that. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you do have any questions or comments, make sure you comment them down below, leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and let's go ahead and get into this install video. Okay, so on the lights here, you're gonna have to make a secondary plug. Obviously there's a problem. These have 5 wires because there's also including the reverse light, which in these don't. So you're gonna have to make 2 separate wires, one to plug into the new tail light and one to basically swap that one out because you're not using the reverse light. So holding the plug like this, you have the top, which is, I wrote a little diagram here. The top is stop, so you're gonna use whichever color. He could be, there you go, Michael's got it. The second from top is going to be your park. The third one down is ground, and the bottom one is your turn. And those will just plug in with the little like ends on them. We siliconed them, already did that on Michael's. That's kind of what you just do for these. The left one is a little different, which I'll explain that one when we start to install that. It's just like 2 prongs are different, or 2 wires swap. But this is what you have to do. So we'll install these, get this siliconed in, and then we'll go ahead and mess with the harness that's actually on the car. Alright, you guys, so then we put the other connector in to mold in, or I guess connect with the tail light system. So the top one you're gonna see, and they're gonna be a little different. Michael's car, his is a 2013, so the colors of the wires may be a little different, but for the 2012s, the like green and white is gonna be the stop. The yellow and black is going to be your park. The all black is going to be your ground, and then the bottom, which is the blue, that's going to be your turn. So hopefully that makes a little more sense. We're going to do the same thing on the other side, except they're a little, like 2 of them are swapped, so we'll explain that. But that should be pretty simple. You're obviously going to just tie up the reverse light. These do not come with reverse lights. That's like their spec over there in the European section. So we just not duct taped it, but electrical taped it up. And yeah, let's get to the other one. That way we can finish off the video and show you guys these lights. Alrighty, you guys, so I'm going to show the diagram and the connector here. For the left side, the top one's going to be the park, which is the yellow. The second to top is going to be, what am I looking at here? Brake. Sorry, Michael's handwriting sucks. Is the brake. That's going to be the green and white. The ground is the black, which is the third one, and then the blue and white one-ish is going to be the turn. So that's all plugged in, siliconed in there, bada bing, bada boom. So let's get these things connected, close the hatch, and show you these lights. Alright, you guys, so we're going to show you the tail lights, running lights, and turn signals. There's the horn. Go ahead, Mike. So those are the turn signals, running lights, and brake lights. So much better. They look way killer. I absolutely love the look. I think I'm gonna get the little inlet here and wrap it the same color. I think it'll be perfect. And
oh, beautiful.
That's Michael's opinion. And that's going to conclude today's video. Hopefully you guys did like. Hopefully this was helpful. If you guys, again, have any questions, comment down below and we can try to help out. I know that there's not many videos posted on YouTube that explain how to wire these up, because it's a little bit different than obviously the Euro spec ones. So comment down below if you guys got anything. If you liked it, leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.